how to make your own link in bio page on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make your own link in bio page on your Shopify store. So this process is going to be spread over the social media like Instagram, TikTok. There are going to be pages or links called link in bio, which is going to be a link usually put into your bio on the social media, which is going to head over a page specific or dedicated to selling products or presenting some more, let's say here, attracting offers that you're going to present for yourself or your affiliate for a brand. So we're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account. Once we have been here, what we're going to do is to click on the search bar and type in Pagefly. So Pagefly, you're going to find this is Pagefly. You're going to search for it on the Shopify App Store. Once we have did that, what we're going to do is to head over here and we're going to click on install. We're going to install this app real quick. And it is going to be here. Click on install. And here you go. So once we have installed the app, it is going to be a free app. Of course, we have some premium plans and etc. We're going to enable the extension, accept the cookies. We're going to create a specific or a regular page. So we're going to create this page and we're going to be here. So you can go ahead and use a prompt with AI or add some elements. I'm going to have here create and try a link in bio style page. We're going to see if it is going to understand here. And let's see, explore. So I will help you inspiration by start looking some of the landing pages templates. So explore landing pages template. Let's see. This is going to be set up here. So it is not going to take us here to a very long thing. So we're going to add some things here. We're going to add a blank section or first we're going to add a heading. This heading is going to be here. We're going to take it like that. I'm going to place it to the center. So we're going to move it like that. We're going to try to move it like that. This is a flex section, as you can see. So basically this section is going to be here. You can go ahead and put enable sticky top, whatever. You're going to select the thing here and we're going to type in our name, for example. Let's say here we're going to have starter, for example. Back, boom. We're going to place it like that. Let's see here if we're going to have some underline, strike, whatever. You're going to have this to the as you can see, the alignment of the icon. So we can go ahead and set up the action. Well, I'm not going to have an action here, but you can go ahead and add some elements like a paragraph, also some buttons. I can click on buttons here. So we're going to have, as you can see here, the sections. So this is the general size, the layout, direction here, there. So the alignment is going to be here. Also for this one, we're going to change the alignment. You can go ahead after that, customize the section. So the button text is going to be here. So we're going to put the text here. We're going to put the first offer like 30%. So where's the percent like that off the let's say here new, for example, I don't know here, new of the new tablet. I don't know here. You're going to start by setting up things like we're going to duplicate this. We're going to duplicate it twice, maybe 4 times, and etc. So you're going to have here the desktop view like that. This is the view. You can go ahead and set it up as much as you want. You can see the preview of it, just like that. So it haven't set up here. You can go ahead and customize any section as much as you want to set up here. As you can see here, the elements, the page content, the page template, for example, you can choose one of them. As you can see, it is going to be something very, very cool. That was pretty much it. So basically you're going to have, as you can see here, images. You can go ahead and add an image here, for example, here, and you can go ahead and make them a little bit maybe smaller or bigger than that. So fill, this is a custom. We're going to have it as 600, and we're going to set up the alignment of it to here. So the padding, the border, you're going to have here the image put here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you have got a let's say the correct answer for your question, also the type of the specific cases here. And thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.